Yes! We are back to glorious, glorious weather. So we're going to make the most of this day 6 by going to a place called Strasbourg, having a walk around the beautiful city. And the road trip begins. Traffic. Traffic. Traffic.
Oh, this is a real bummer.
How is the road trip going?
Fantastic. The weather's great.
The traffic is awful.
Traffic's horrendous.
We've literally done probably like 15 miles in the past hour. Yeah, it is a nice day to be fair.
Cozy. At least it's...
So we're currently in Germany, and in a couple of seconds we're going to be in France. Very excited. First time in France. 50 meters. 50 meters. Is this the sign?
There's the sign.
It is the sign. Right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Welcome to France! So after the hour journey, which actually took 2 hours because of traffic, we are finally here. Let's get stretch the legs. We have literally just got off the tram and it's already raining. It was so nice in Freiburg today. Just a quick update, it's still raining. We're currently waiting for Victor to find the restaurant he wants to go to. And that's thunder. That was quite close.
Yeah, that was.
We'll be inside soon. But yeah, it's still raining.
Let's find some food, huh?
Yeah. Finally in a restaurant, trying off coffee and food. Why is this one of your favourite places?
Because my family uses it to sit here and drink coffee.
Coffee, beer.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's lovely by this bridge and river.
Super lovely.
Yeah. It would be even lovelier on a beautiful day. After Josh insisting we take like 100 photographs on this bridge for some reason, which look very good. Have a look. So nice now that the sun is finally out. We can actually take our jackets off and walk around the square like Leo is currently doing. We are now observing this bridge being opened for a boat.
Why is my head always cut off?
Because my arms are not long enough to get tall people in.
I should hold the camera.
Now it's super sunny in this gorgeous city, and we are about to go into the cathedral. Or we not? Yeah. So it's over that direction. He did it. He did it. You're €5 richer, my friend. €5.
Just a bit wet. That was not too bad. Like I did.
There you go, my friend. €5.
This will pay for a beer.
It will. Nearing the end of our day in Strasbourg. and we're at an Arabian, an Arab restaurant, trying out some sweets and drinking some mint tea.
Delicious. Oh, super delicious.
Yeah, lovely. Yeah, so that's the end to day 6 in our day in Strasbourg. Horrible weather to begin with, then it picked up and it was absolutely gorgeous. We had some good food, good tea, good sandwich, good cake. Yeah, good day, good walk around.
Heading back now.
Yeah.
Heading back now.
Kitty.